Hydrated lime ball pressing machine has the advantages of strong extrusion ability, not easy to wear, long service life, and the equipment can run normally for a long time, high speed and stable, and is deeply loved by the majority of users. Can be all kinds of waste materials through forced pressurization, pre-pressure spiral precision processing, made into high-density pellets, is widely used in metallurgy and chemical industry, lime and refractory materials and other industries. In the pressing process, adding adhesive and raw materials mixing evenly, then through the roller extrusion, the lime powder pressing forming rate can be up to 100%. The hydrated lime ball pressing machine can press a variety of shapes of pellets. The hydrated lime ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, can effectively improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.